you make me want to take my clothes off.
Come join us. You can go in your birthday suit. We won't judge. It came from the lake. The lake up to my house, into my trailer, through it, and it's gonna go back in the lake when we're done.
This is Nate. Nate is a local power washing contractor, and he wanted to meet and talk about power washing.
Okay. We're too hot. No, it's toasty.
The only problem is, he wanted to have a meeting with me. I'm Andrew Meades. I've been a professional power washer going on 16 years now. I know a lot about power washing, and I've got a lot of great advice to give, but I'm always looking for a new challenge.
You know what? No more power washing. I'm just gonna be hot tubs on demand. You want a hot tub up a tree? Done. You want a hot tub far at sea? Done.
I had a full tank of water I didn't want to waste, and so this is the story of how I turned my work truck into a hot tub just to have a meeting. So I had this tank of water. I went to clean some boats at a marina. It's winter time. I can't keep a full tank of water in my trailer, but I didn't want to dump it, so I was trying to figure out a use for it. And I'd already learned that I can make a hot tub out of a snowbank. And I kept staring at the bed of my truck, and I'm thinking, this is so much simpler. It's already there. And you know what? Why not? If I can make a hot tub in the bed of my truck, if that works, it means I have a portable hot tub, which is so cool. So I messaged Nate. We're meeting at lunchtime. I messaged Nate, and he's in. It's time to go get set up. Let's do this.
Okay. I got 200 feet of pressure hose here, which means we can go 200 feet away or much further if we want. $12 plus the cost of water and driving 5 minutes from your house is the price of admission for today. We're gonna back in, baby. Why not? All right, let's do a quick survey and see. Nothing's gonna puncture the tarp. Let's see. I think we're good. So now I can crank it closed, but it's not trying to shoot across the bed of the truck. Sorry, the tarp wasn't the cleanest here. I haven't got to the filtration part of this yet.
I'm surprised at how blue the water coming out of there is, though. I have to tell you.
It came from the lake. The lake up to my house, into my trailer, through it, and it's gonna go back in the lake when we're done.
Beautiful.
Little full water cycle there.
Yeah.
It worked so well. I mean, compared to a snowbank, the bar was pretty low. I think we had about 40 minutes before I would consider reheating it.
My card, yeah, these are my
The original cool dude.
we got these to go to Costa Rica.
And it wouldn't take long to do that. So boom, another 40 minutes. Like, honestly, I'm really curious to see how long of a hot tub I can have with one tank of water.
What's the market for on-demand hot tubs?
Well, if we got like a feed trough, like those big metal ones that people use for kind of like a backyard hot tub,
Yeah.
and just dropped it off to whatever event it could be or whatever day or like.
Nate and I talked about the future and this upcoming season. There are so many opportunities in this industry. The world is dirty and it's yours for the taking. Do we get a drone and start cleaning big buildings?
This power washing robot is taking cleaning to new heights.
I've got the bleeding edge and autonomous surface cleaning. How does that change the future?
It's moving! It's moving! It's moving!
If you're a kid and you're out there wondering what to do, take a look at this niche trade. I'm teaching my kids. They don't have to become power washers, but it's a skill I want them to have and they can always fall back on.
Now open it up, I'll hold it. You got it. It's just starting it is extra pressure. Okay, now put your hand up here. There we go. This would be the part where we include some awesome drone footage of our business meeting hot tub. But middle of summer last year, my drone may or may not have gone for a little swim in the lake. But guess what?
Okay, let's go find the drone.
I found it. And I did my best to fix it, but no avail. So just picture some awesome drone footage of a nice steamy hot tub at the waterfront.
Needless to say, when you're having a hot tub in the bed of a truck, down at the local boat launch, you get some attention. I met a neighbor, I had some people interested for some quotes, did not expect that. Would I do this again? Yes, 1,000 times yes.
Ready?
I can pump water hundreds and hundreds of feet. Normally that's for work, but why not? Why can't it be for fun? Maybe it's time I finally start the Extreme Shower Club. We have showers in exotic locations. Would you join?
A few notes to self for next time. One, bring my flip-flops, so I'm not walking across in my cold bare feet. And two, I think make sure you got enough hose so you can put your hot tub wherever you desire. I have plenty of hose, so that's not an issue. And three, bring some business cards, because believe it or not, having a hot tub in the middle of the waterfront, you get a lot of questions about what you're doing, and turns out some people want power washings.
So I just want to encourage anybody watching this, don't be afraid to do something out of the ordinary. If you can make a hot tub down by the waterfront, make a hot tub by the waterfront, have a business meeting, put yourself out there, you never know what's gonna happen. Thanks for watching this little story, I hope you enjoyed, and if you're ever interested about cleaning stuff up, check out some of my other videos. Have a great day. Cheers.